Yeah. Yeah. Mm. You wanna shoot it out, we can shoot it out by the count. Niggas talking shit because it don't matter what the amount is. I'm a motherfucking cop it and spend it. Niggas be talking about these bread, man. Fuck these Benzes, I done been seen it. And been hit these hoes you niggas popping on. Young trap nigga, I murder in that fucking song. Bitch, I'm in my rap zone, been drinking lean, been blowing strong. All motherfucking morning long, taking to the dome. That means I'm by myself. Hell no, it ain't no one else. Nigga, try me, cuz that's the day that you gon' meet your death. Freestyle off the motherfucking dome, never out of breath. Perfected this rap shit, you niggas got some lessons left. Young trap the motherfucking shit, bitch. I'm too hot. Nigga trying to hate on me, nigga, boy, you better stop. Before I make your heart start and add you to my body count. Add your mom and daddy to my body count. Baby brothers, sisters too. Anybody get it, dude? I ain't playing no games, nigga. Destruction come for you. When you mention my name in the motherfucking song, nigga. Fuck wrong with you, boy? You must wanna get your ass dead wrong. Shit, and end up on the news. Fuck niggas got the game twisted, they so confused. Young trap niggas beat your ass, boy, I bruise. And leave you in the motherfucking dumpster somewhere blue if you a white boy. And if you black, you can turn the same color. Young trap, I'm a killer, murder motherfucker. Hit your ass a couple times. Watch your ass swell up like yeast, nigga. Fucking boy, I'm a damn beast, nigga. You boys can't compete, nigga. You rhyme too weak. Young trap, cuz I'm too raw, bitch. Too raw. Damn. This shit too easy. See, most of y'all claim y'all be off the dome. Listen to your CD, yeah, I heard your song. But y'all niggas lyrics weak, man, them hoes ain't strong. You need to do some damn push-ups, been press them hoes home. Go on ahead and sit down with a pen and pad and step it up. Young trap, cuz I'm a killer, bitch, I wreck it, bro. All my lyrics, I spit them hoes, they be some lethal weapons, bro, like Danny Glover. Young trap nigga love to use a rubber, didn't used to. And then I had got fucked up. Went to the clinic and they fixed the little nigga up. Now it's back beast mode. Fucking all these street hoes. Young trapper killer. Nigga hate on me, get creased hoe. Like my damn jeans home. No playing, no games. Nigga better pay attention to what I'm saying. This a acapella freestyle. No motherfucking beat. And for you boys who claim you're hard and know your ass sweet like a motherfucking apple pie. If you try me, it's gonna be the day that your ass die, the day that your mama cry, the day that you leave here. Your soul gonna go see God and you ain't gonna be here. Young trapper killer, nigga. Everybody know that. I did this shit from Alabama, nigga. Yeah, you know that. 205 reppin', nigga. I'm the hottest nigga down here. If you think I'm lying, boy, come test me, boy. I'm around here. In the club you want to meet, nigga, we can do it on the stage. Young trap ain't never scared. Hell no, ain't never been afraid. This a challenge for all you niggas who claim you rap in my state. I don't give a fuck, nigga. I want what's on your plate and what's on my plate. For real, nigga, you better get your shit straight or get ate up like the rest of these niggas who tried to step me and step up. Niggas tried to test me a long time ago and got ate up. Since I was 12 years old, been doing niggas that straight up. And that's on my mama, cuz. Nigga, check my background. Talking like you bad boy don't make me a damn clown. Bozo, nigga, no red nose, no long shoes. I wear a size 7, nigga, and carry a big ass too. Fucking fools get your ass busted, nigga, trying to act bad. Young trap, nigga, y'all boys that made me damn mad. 5 minutes strong, nigga, and I ain't gonna even stop yet until I feel like, nigga, I done completed a whole project. Stop that, nigga. You know I'm from the Brickyard Project. Came up in every hood except for Central Park. You know that, nigga. And I ain't even had to ride on the east side for real. Stayed in Center Point. Right then, nigga, we was on chill. Had a little bread, dog, nigga. Then she got messed up. Mama had got locked up. Nigga was like, what the fuck, young age. I done seen a lot of things, a whole lot of shit. Y'all boys ain't seen what I seen. That's on some real shit. A lot of y'all niggas claim you're hard and like y'all bust beats. Y'all niggas ain't hard enough to go to the penitentiary. Nope, when you ain't make it. Now one day you'll get stabbed up because you don't know how to survive, bro. You ain't no real man, bro. Scared to put your hands up. Gotta go and grab a damn pistol. Young Trap ain't never scared. Fuck, nigga, I don't need no pistol. Beat your ass down and stump your ass with these little feet. Niggas trying to play me like I'm pussy, like I'm damn weak. Hell no, nigga. In your bitch mouth, I love to ski. Target practice on the job. Let her tongue and my kids meet.